All right, hey guys, thanks for joining us today here at platinumaffiliates.com, where we cover all things with affiliate marketing, online business. We want to teach everybody how to make money online. So today we're going to cover our 7 steps to using affiliate marketing for free. 7 steps to using affiliate marketing for free. Thanks for joining us today. I want to invite you to subscribe to our channel to support us and kind of encourage us as we just got started back in late 2018, putting videos up. We want to both cover our journey in affiliate marketing and try to teach people and help people learn from the mistakes that we made so they can become more efficient as they build their online business. So thanks for joining us, and let's cover our 7 steps to making money using affiliate marketing for free. Number one is the first thing we want to do is be able to choose a niche. So what is a niche? A niche is products. It's products or services or even interests that appeal to like a small group of people or a small group of the population, and wherever whatever country you're living in or trying to build your business in. um, it's just products or services. So I've learned 3 main niches. One niche, these are general niches as well, is wealth, and wealth, and relationships. So these are areas in which you can choose to build your business around these interests or these ideas, and just help people, with whatever ideas or whatever type of things that they're interested in learning about. So the first thing you want to do is choose a niche, some type of product or service or interest that's going to appeal to a small group or a specific group of people. So number two, next thing we want to do is be able to build our brand, or one of the most associated ideas of a brand is a logo. So branding is like it's a way of identifying your business. It tells people or your customers, who you are, and what type of experience you're going to give them, and it helps them to be able to identify you. So examples of branding is um, logos would be like a Coca-Cola. Everybody knows the big red sign with the word Coca-Cola in it. So it the logo or the brand helps you to identify, what type of service you're going to be getting. So with Coca-Cola, when you see that logo, you're going to get something to drink. So the next thing we want to do after we have built our brand or our logo, and also I'm going to put a link in there to help you guys with coming up with ideas or logos or branding ideas. I'll put a link in the description that will give you some resources that will help you be able to choose a good logo, because you want it to be appealing to the specific group or the specific niche that you're in. Number three, the next thing you want to do is start a YouTube channel. Um, this is going to be, we're talking about how you can make money with affiliate marketing for free. And so we're talking about free platforms, and YouTube is free. The only thing that you have to be able to have is an email account, which you can get from Gmail for free. You can just go to Gmail and sign up and get one. And you'll also just have to have internet. You can even set up your YouTube channel on your mobile phone. It's that easy. So after you've chosen your niche and built your brand, or at least gotten a logo and started your YouTube channel, now the next step is to start creating content. So YouTube is a video platform, and this is the content that you'll have to create for YouTube or videos. I'll give you 2 examples up here is reviews and comparisons. Now, what do I mean by reviews and comparisons? So when you build your YouTube channel, or when you set up your YouTube channel, um, in order for you to become an affiliate marketer, you have to be able to promote products. And so reviews and comparisons are going to be um, having a review would be purchasing a product, or perhaps you can promote a product that you already have or that you already use. And so you would basically do a video. I would advise you to keep them short, no more than 10 minutes, because the people's attention spans are kind of low, when you're looking at products. Excuse me. And so you want to be able to pick a product, and you want to review that product, tell people about it, the ins and outs, and how it can benefit them. Now, with comparison, um, YouTube, a comparison video is a little bit different. Now you're comparing, or you're reviewing two different products, and so you want to be able to have your followers, you want to be able to have your viewers to be able to identify two different products, and you want to be able to compare them to each other, and help people to pick the one that's best for them. And so comparisons are actually a lot more profitable than just a single review. um, Quicker, you can build revenue or generate income quicker because you have two products that you're promoting versus one. uh, and so you can create your content with these reviews, and then you can offer the products in the description, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. So number 5, you want to build your social media presence. This is the next step, because your YouTube channel, you're not really able to interact. You can do some kind of interaction with your comment section at the bottom of your YouTube channel, but it's pretty limited. So you want to be able to build your social media presence where you can engage with people a lot more. Examples of social media are entities like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. And so I would advise you to sign up for those accounts. And that way, the content that you create, you can also promote them on your social media platforms, and this will give you an increased amount of exposure to different people, which will in turn create a better opportunity for you to sell and show your content. So number 6, the next thing you want to do is, after you have set up your YouTube channel and created your content and got your social media presence up, then you want to sign up for affiliate programs, because this is where the money is going to start to come in. So we'll give you a list of some of our top 3 affiliate marketing programs that you can start for free, and those will help you at least get the ball rolling and hopefully start earning some income. And our final of the 7 steps to making money with affiliate marketing for free is, then you'll be able to promote those links for the products that you review and compare and so forth. You'll be able to promote those links to your YouTube channel in the description in the description section, sorry, and also on your social media platforms. You'll be able to promote those links for the various products that you sign up and get, and then you'll be able to start getting some income coming in as people click on your links and purchase these products. So thanks for joining us today. We've just covered 7 steps to making money using affiliate marketing for free. And I want to thank you for joining Platinum Affiliates. And we want to invite you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that we can keep you up to date with new content as it's released. Once again, thanks for joining, and take care.